Okay. Happy New Year in this mother sucker. Are we back with another one, y'all? Story time on. I got jumped by gang members and a brick thrown at me. Bumbleclad. We're gonna have one crazy one right here, I guess, y'all. Man. Let's get it, y'all.
On the time that I got jumped by these gang members and they threw a brick at me. I know, rough entrance, but so this story goes back to when I was in ninth grade and I had won the science fair when I lived in Newark, New Jersey. I used to go to Barringer High School.
Okay.
And I won the science fair this year. And the gift that I won, the prize that I won was a Subway gift card. So keep that in mind. So one day, me and my little sister, we was, walking home from school and we were on our way to the house or whatever. And I had told her, I'm like, hey, I want a gift card for Subway. You want to go to Subway after school? And she's like, yeah. So we go to Subway or whatever like that. And I run into these two boys. His name was Naqui and then the other boy name was Tank. Right?
Naqui.
So Quee was real cute or whatever. So they seen us walking out the store of Subway after we ate and they was trying to talk to us. So Quee ran me down. He was like, hey, like, what's up? And me and my sister was ignoring them. Like, we just kept walking because like we didn't want no drama. Like, cause my mom used to be very overprotective. So she would like lurk around the corners and stuff, wait out in her car and just
As she
watch
should.
us. Like, so we never used to get in trouble because we used to really get our ass beat like for real in real life. So we really ain't want no smoke. So we was ignoring them and we just kept walking. So finally they caught up to us and the boy was like, hey, like I'm Quee, like what's your name? I told him my name. Tank, the other boy Tank, was trying to talk to my little sister, but my little sister never went for nothing. Like she did not want to talk at all. Like she didn't want no part. So me and Quee started talking or whatever, and he was like, oh, like, I'll be around here, whatever like that. So if you ever come back, like, let's meet up, if you want to meet up tomorrow. So I said, okay, fine. Like, yeah, we could do that. So I hopped on a train from Bloomfield all the way back to Barringer because that's how I used to get back and forth. I used to take the little subway train or whatever. And so one day I was waiting for him, like I was lurking, like where's Quee? So we caught up with each other every now and then, and we would just like chit chat. So we used to always go to the park around the area or whatever like that. So and also the little wreck that they had. So one day me and my little sister was outside the wreck, and we seen a boy Quee again. Anyway, so we seen Quee, we started talking whatever like that. Cool. So it was to the point where I was so delusional about this man. Like I was knocking on everybody's door because I had heard he was talking to some girl. So I had felt the way about it. So I was literally walking around Newark just knocking on strangers' doors. Like,
what?
Does we live here?
Yo, you know how big Newark is, y'all? Yo, Newark is huge. Newark is not no small city. That's a huge city. I used to live in East Orange, right next to Newark. Like, what the hell?
Foolish. Yeah, I know. I have daddy issues. So I never found Quee, whatever, cool.
Of course not.
So I remember one particular day we was in the park, me and my sister, and it was everybody outside, like everybody. And it was a group of these dudes, I'll say. And they was all outside. I didn't know at the time that all these dudes was grape gang members. Like I didn't know that. So as we're outside in this park,
like Grape
I
Street.
can't remember the name of the park because it was so long ago, but this girl Samira was out there. Tall Samira was out there, and I guess she had like Quee, like she was trying to talk with him. She was like, "Oh yeah," I overheard her telling her little friend like, "Yeah, I'm trying to get with him." Da da. I was like, "That's my man. Like, how you trying to get with him?" And I'm with him. So she walked up to him. She's like, "Hey, Quee, you go with her?" And he was like, "No, like we just did the do."
Wait, Quee.
So he lying to her, talking about they did the do, and I'm like, "What? No." I never did do with him. Like I never got down like that.
So he was double lying on him.
So she was like, yeah, he said he don't go with you. He just effed you. I don't even do all that. So why's you lying? So I'm like, nah. Like I had like really got defensive because I'm just like, don't spread them rumors because like I said, my mother's about that life. And if she hears that, that's the end of my life today, right now, at this very second. So I had to shut it down real quick. Like, no, I never did nothing like that. He's a liar. No, I did not. And so his big homie was literally sitting right there. So he's like, I said, so then the boy, so the boy Quee was like, I put that on the set. Da da da. said, you a liar. I put that on my dead grandmother. So the boy was like, the big homie was like, put that on something. Put that on something. I said, I put it on
Put
my
that
dead
on
grandmother. I did not have sex
something.
with that man. And so he was like, so thank God he took my word for it. So he was like, oh, Quee, so you lying on the homies now? You lying? You lying on the set? We don't lie on the set. They said, what they said? They said, run it. They said, what they said? Oh my God, what did they tell this man? I guess they told him, give him the 3. Give him the 3. That's what they
DP.
said.
They
Meaning,
DP'd
beat his
him.
ass for 3 minutes. So now I'm like, whoa, 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 give him the 3. So they're like, come on. So all the gang members get together and start going to the other side of the park. So now Quee is
Yeah,
like,
they
he looks
disciplined him.
scared.
DP.
So I was confused. So I'm like, what? Like, what? What you mean? What y'all, like, because I seen literally everybody come from all ends of the park running up to come get this man the 3. So now I'm still behind my man, like I'm riding for my man. So I'm like, whoa, 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 like y'all can't, don't do it, don't do it. So now they like, nah, like y'all gotta go, cause it was me, my little sister, and my old friend Ashley. So they was like, come on, just go, come on, just go, just leave him, just leave. I said, no, they about to beat him up, cause I had asked the boy, I said, what's the 3
Wasn't
mean?
nothing you could
And he
do.
was like, it was this other boy that they
But you,
had hung with. I forgot his name, but he was like real deal, like he didn't care about life. So I had asked him, I'm like, and we was cool. I had asked him, I was like, hey, like what that mean? Like what the 3 mean? And he was like, that mean we gotta, run it with him. So I was just like, what? No, like no. It don't call for all that. They're like, no, like if you lie on the homies, if you lie on the set, you gotta get beat up. So I'm just like, OMG, what have I done, right?
nah, he
But
lied on the
he the
set.
one who lied on the set. So what did he really do?
He lied.
But
He lied
anyway,
on the set.
so here they go, tussling with him, beating him up from all angles. So here I go, trying to get in the middle of it,
Crying
right?
at you.
I shouldn't even did that. I shouldn't have did that, y'all.
She
I'm getting in the middle of it, and
is she real crying?
now I'm getting hit from all angles. So
Y'all both get your ass off.
so me and Quee in the middle of all these
Getting
gang
queefed up.
members getting tore up. We getting tore up. I'm sorry. So he getting beat up. I'm getting beat up. We both in there fighting for our life. And I'm just like, leave him alone. Just leave him alone, right?
Leave you alone at
I
this
call
point.
myself spitting on somebody.
Oh yeah, you was tripping.
I spit on the boy who don't care about life. Why did I do that? I don't know. So I go and I spit on this man. So he's enraged.
Ultimate disrespect.
And he's furious.
Of course, the ultimate
As
disrespect.
he should.
Okay, so you understand it.
And he picks it up. And as he's picking up the brick, me, my little sister, and my friend Ashley are running for our lives. And this man got aim. How did he pick the brick up and throw it with full force? I will never understand. He took the brick, picked it up, threw it hard as hell. And thank God it didn't hit the back of my head.
Yeah.
It hit the back of my elbow. When I tell you I could not feel my arm, I couldn't feel my arm for like almost a week, literally. Oof. And I'm like, do I need to go to the hospital? He threw the brick at me.
That's the nerves
and my
up.
friend just dying laughing because she like, we told you to leave him alone. And I'm just like, but I didn't think that was necessary. Like, I just didn't. It was like, you should have just stayed out of it. Like, it didn't call for you to get in the mix. But
exactly.
I don't
Stay out
of
grown man shit.
I don't want to see nobody get hurt, baby. I'm a lover, not a fighter. Like, I don't care to fight. We don't got to fight it out. Like, so I just felt really, really bad. But they was basically like, you just should have stayed out of it, and you lucky that brick ain't hit nowhere else, and that we just gonna stay out of gang members' business. And so ever since then,
don't date gang members at all.
Out of gang members' business. So not too long after, Quee ended up getting locked up. Years done went past. He ended up hitting me up on like Instagram or something, and he's like, "Hey, I'm still trying to F with you." Da da da. I had to just leave him on red. Like, do you not know what I've been through behind you? Like, I went through enough with you. I don't want no more chaos and drama in my life. And then you're texting me from prison. Like, that in itself is enough.
Exactly.
So, yeah, when they talk about gang members, y'all leave them alone. Like, unless you want to get beat up and get the 3 and all that other extra stuff, just leave it alone. Leave it alone. Yeah, I don't know how he threw that brick with full force, but he did. And I'm just thankful I still have the life that I have here today. Thank you for entering my TED Talk.
Oh
If y'all
my
want to hear story
God.
times, let me know. I hope y'all enjoyed this one because, like, I'm terrible at telling stories. I'm terrible at, this type of thing. So,
Nah, you did
yeah,
a good
I
job.
tried it. So,
Nah, she did a good job telling that one, man. I ain't gonna lie. Definitely did a good job with telling that one. Hey, man, listen. He shouldn't have lied on the set. He shouldn't have lied on you. He shouldn't have lied on himself. And he would have got deep. He just was lying all the way through. You know what I mean? Like, hopefully he learned a valuable lesson about his lies and seeing that how far it could go, because it could go very far, and to the point where even your girl getting hurt because she trying to protect you from. And it's funny how she must be a real one, because she's trying to protect him after he done lied on her and telling other people, oh yeah, I'm not even her guy or nothing like that. I just busted down and he ain't never even touch it because Shorty scared of her mom, so she definitely ain't giving up that yama. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, Quee tripping, man. Then Quee came back after, because Quee matter of fact, that's what I just said. Quee knows he a real one. He knows Shorty a real one for real. That's on some real shit. And yeah, he was trying to tarnish her name so only he could have her. And then even when he in jail, he was thinking like, damn, who probably the closest one that I know, a real good one that'll probably look out for me. You know what I'm saying? And that's the one he picked, but he fucked that. He burnt that bridge up already from that night. And crazy homie that got spat on, man. Like, I don't. Hey, listen, man, woman, dog, or child, man. You ain't supposed to be spitting on no people, man. You spit on somebody, you asking for it, man. That's the ultimate shit. I think spitting on somebody is damn near a crime, if I'm not mistaken. I thought that's what. At least shit. One of the states I lived in, I think it was that, if I'm not mistaken. But if it's not, let me know, y'all. Let's get in these comments real quick. I ain't gonna go through all of these jaws, but what did we learn today? Pride is a hell of a drug. Ain't that about a blick? Ain't that about one for real? Oh, it's only only 5 comments. Okay, yeah. Boom, boom, boom. If you would have shown your elbow, I would have just lost it. Yeah, I'm glad she didn't show how her elbow probably was done for, but we don't know how long the story was. This taking place. She may have said it in the beginning. I don't freaking know. But anyway, yeah, man, y'all be careful out here with who y'all dating and all of that stuff, and and also who y'all not dating, because apparently they was dating, but they wasn't dating, and they was dating, but they wasn't dating, because they was dating his friend. They not dating a friend, but they was dating themselves. Anyway, if you stayed this far long in the video, comment blue. Just the word blue. Comment the word blue if you stayed this long to the video. It's your boy Urben Currse. Hit the tick in the blicker. Should have already hit it a long time ago, because I understand it's been sitting there and it's been scrolling the whole time that I've been sitting here talking. The whole time that we sitting here watching this video. So go ahead right now. If you enjoyed this right now, matter of fact, if you didn't even enjoy it, just go ahead. Like, comment, subscribe. It is what it is. Because if not, you're going to die.